my drop top, who's in the streets, I got a real pretty look.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get straight into the video. This is a foundation, obviously, but I'm letting y'all know now I end up taking it out and redoing the foundation because I just felt like this way wasn't as secure as I wanted it. So yes, I did redo it. So to start it off, you're just gonna want to measure up from ear to ear. Some people do all the way around from like the beginning of their parting, their leave out, to the beginning of the other side, but that's only if you want a really deep side, like if you want the hair to fall deeply into your face. I personally didn't want that. So you're just going to continuously measure it from side to side until you get to the top, and then I'll hop back in and talk to you guys later on. It's really pretty simple. It's not that much to it for real. Y'all, I was running out of glue. And I'm telling y'all, when I said God was on my side, God was on my side, because when I said this, the amount of glue that was in this bottle was just the right amount to finish my hair. And remember, I said I redid it. So that means I used a lot of glue. And the bottle was just holding on for dear life. And y'all, it was so late, so I could not even go to the damn beauty supply store. But yeah, I'm rambling, y'all. I said I was going to come back, but fuck it. We just going to keep talking. But yeah, like I said, just continuously measure it first and make sure you take your time. After each track, I feel like it's best to at least spray some spritz and blow dry it. But if you don't want to do that, just make sure you at least blow dry it so then the glue gets tacky on there and it sticks quickly. You don't want it to be slipping out while you get to the top of your hair and then you got to go back and redo it. Okay, that's not what we're doing. But take your time and just keep doing that process, and then I'll jump back in.
Like a couple, I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused.
Welcome to Bigo, where connections come alive. Anytime, anywhere.
Chime, the #1 most loved banking app.
Install the Chime app today and get started.
Tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game.
I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me.
I just wanna be
Pull up, anticipating good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen, girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, take the place, nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to up, ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and see, I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Remember I said that I had to start over, so I started over and I completely ditched the wrapping strips because I just couldn't, like, it just wasn't working for me at this point, and I was just not gonna go through that again. So I feel like this way was just more secure. I didn't use the liquid cap that everybody used. I'm not new to this, okay? I'm true to this, not new to this. So like I said, make sure you guys blow dry at least. You don't see me spraying the spritz because I did it like on and off, but just at least make sure you blow dry it. That's the best I can tell you. So once I finish gluing all the tracks in, it is gonna cut off at like the end part, but it's gonna jump right into me doing the baby hairs and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do the baby hairs. Actually, what the fuck? No, I'm lying. See, I'm tripping. So after I finish laying the tracks, I'm gonna jump back in and I'm gonna start to straighten out the leaf out. Girl, look, I'm moving too fast, y'all. I'm moving faster than a goddamn video. But yeah, when I jump back in and come back and do the leave out, then I'll finish talking to y'all.
Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beauty, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her, really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wish. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Okay, boom. Now we're at the part where I'm taking out the freaking leave out, y'all. I didn't know what the hell was going on. But yeah, I took the leave out and I used a little bit of Chi heat protectant, and I just made sure I massaged that throughout the little leave out that I did leave out. And I did not want to leave out a lot of hair, y'all, because I don't want to heat damage my hair. I haven't put like a flat iron to my hair in a really long time, so I'm just not trying to even do that. And even with this style, I didn't flat iron my leave out like every day like everybody else be doing. Girl, I don't know, but I feel like the Chi really helped me with that process. But yeah, back into the damn style. So I'm just trying to perfect my parting just to how I like it, and just making sure that each side has enough hair that's gonna cover it. And I did like a little trick or so that you don't see the tracks throughout the leave out. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but yeah, I did that, girl. You can't see nothing. So once I perfected that part, I just went ahead and hit my roots with the hot comb. And after I did the roots with the hot comb, I just went ahead and I flat ironed it. And I don't know, I'm very precise, and I'm a perfectionist. So I was going over this, and I was making sure it was flat, y'all. Like, I was not playing. And I did not use any other product on my hair except for the Chi heat protectant. I did not use nothing else, because I didn't want the hair to get like too heavy, too greasy, or nothing like that. So after I finish flat iron my leave out and blending that in, I'm just gonna fix my baby hairs, and then after that I'm just gonna continue out to flat iron the weave itself. But y'all, I did a lazy flat iron. Like, I'm telling y'all, if y'all really want like a good flat iron, make sure you take your time and like part the hair and just try to do it piece by piece. Don't do it like me and be lazy and just take like chunks and chunks. I'm a pro. I could do this. But if you're a beginner, just kind of take your time and really just go through the whole thing and just like try to flat iron the pieces as small as possible and the sections as small as possible. But me, I ain't have time for that, girl. I was just busting through it and running through it, but it still came out good. I wanted to see how it looked straight. I didn't particularly like how it looked straight. I'm not that I didn't like it. It was just looking too thin. So I went ahead and I just added some layers and I curled it. So you guys are gonna see that at the end, and then I'll jump back in again. All right, per.
Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the QP, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her.
Oh yeah, I definitely did forget to tell y'all. Well, I didn't forget. I'm telling y'all now. I added a little bit of concealer to my part just to make it like a little bit more crisp. And I gotta say, it really, I've never done that before, like on my natural hair, but it really did its job, and like it really came out cute. This is what I was saying when I said I did lazy flat ironing. I didn't like part it little sections. No, I was just running through them bitches because I really just wanted to hurry up and finish. But don't be like me. Do it the right way, not the way that I'm doing it now. Okay? But yeah. I'm gonna just let y'all finish watching me flat ironing here, and I'll jump back into the end with the final results because it looks so tea, so bomb.
There ain't no one better to love. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
Yeah, what's that? This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it.
Okay, you guys, we made it to the end of the video, and I might say, like, I got to say, it turned out super cute, very classy, very demure. I have not have a leave out, like I haven't done a quick weave in so long. I haven't left my hair out in so long, so it's just real cute to just see me. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you liked it, leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel. Also, turn your notification bells on so you're notified when I post my next videos. You know, we out here, the road to freaking 4K, okay? So we really got to do this thing. Once again, thank you guys so much for everything, and bye.